It's 5:45 in the morning. We are in Phatthalung and we're going to Thale Noi, which is huge wetlands where lotus flowers, they should be blooming early in the morning, and we might see also some water buffaloes. We are in Thale Noi. It's about 35 minutes drive from Phatthalung city, and we are about to embark on this huge lake. It's already sunrise, and hopefully we will see these beautiful lotus flowers. Thale Noi means little sea, but it's actually a massive wetland sanctuary, Thailand's first official non-hunting area. We board a long-tail boat before the sunrise and slowly drift into the stillness. The air is cool, the water calm, it feels like the world is still asleep. Above us, hundreds of birds begin their morning flight. Egrets, herons, kingfishers, some nesting here, some just passing through. Thale Noi is home to over 180 bird species, one of the best birdwatching spots in Southeast Asia. Even without binoculars, there's so much to see. As the sun begins to rise, the lake comes alive. Lotus flowers start to bloom, pink, delicate, and everywhere. And then, a special surprise for our little one, water buffalo. Not wild, but not fenced either. They belong to local families and roam freely in the wetlands. If you ever visit southern Thailand, we highly recommend Thale Noi. Early mornings here mean fewer people, more nature, and unforgettable memories, even before breakfast. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.